Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I'm excited because today we're unboxing an exciting and compact new product. This is the Logitech G PRO X 60 LIGHTSPEED keyboard. I'm really excited that we released this because 60% keyboards are my favorite layout. And this one features up to 65 hours of battery per charge, 1 millisecond report rate, and a really interesting upgrade that we'll get into later. So let's get into it. First thing we're greeted with when we open the box is this super nice case. We'll remove that, and let's take a quick look at the quick start guide that's printed under the lid of the box. This is handy information if this is your first time setting up a LIGHTSPEED keyboard. On that note, make sure to check out our video on setting up your LIGHTSPEED keyboard. Let's get this box out of the way and open this case. First thing we see is the keyboard wrapped up to keep it clean during transit. We'll remove that, and here it is. The PRO X 60 comes equipped with our optical key switches, which come in two types, tactile and linear. This particular keyboard is linear, but I like both. It's weighted nicely, feels solid, and with this 60% format, it saves so much room. Under that, we have some documentation, which we'll set aside, the LIGHTSPEED dongle, packaged in its extender, a USB to USB-C charge cable, and an alternate escape key. Let's have a look around the outside. On the right, we have the game mode switch, which disables keys, preventing accidental key presses in-game. On the top right, there is a LIGHTSPEED connection button, a Bluetooth button, the Type-C port, and the power switch. On the left, there's a volume roller and a caps lock LED, and on the front is a power indicator. And lastly, on the bottom, there's a space to store your LIGHTSPEED dongle. Okay, let's power it on. The keys themselves are LightSync RGB and are individually addressable, with several presets and animated profiles available in G-Hub. And that brings us to the coolest upgrade here. Key control allows you to individually reassign any key on the keyboard to do anything you need. This opens up a whole world of possibilities. For more info on configuring your RGB lighting and other features, be sure to check out our G-Hub video. I absolutely love this keyboard, and I'm glad you were able to check it out with me. And if you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.